Welcome back everyone to Tasha on Demand. Today I want to do my pharmacy influencer unboxing. Here we go. So I want to share what I got in my welcome box. So this is like my first box ever, and I'm going to show you what I ordered and what they sent me. Let's start with the Radiant Mind. They're gummies. And I'm not going to tell you a lot about the health and wellness products because I want to do a separate video and tell you why I'm taking them and the benefits of them. But these are gummies. Most of their vitamin are gummies. And then I'm going to do all the vitamin first, the supplements. So I have a Hydro Drop, hydraulic acid, and vitamin C. Now, I don't know if anyone know, hydraulic acid can be taken internally. I maybe have done this supplement once in a tablet form, and I ordered it on Amazon, and what I noticed was the benefits was more, plumper skin, more I don't lotion very often, so you're more you're more hydrated. That's the word I want to use. Okay, so what's my next supplement? My next supplement is my L-creatine shots, which sell out fast because they're really a great price. I was only able to get one. They limit how many of these you can order because people are ordering them so fast. This is like a great recovery shot. And again, I'm not going to go into detail because I'm going to do a separate video for my supplements, my health and wellness products. So now let's go into makeup and skincare, okay? So let's do makeup. This is a Precise Brow Pencil in Ebony 4. It's not anything that I ordered. Every month, the perks outside of earning 50% commission on every purchase for people that you influence and refer, you also get free products. So this is one of the free products that they gave me. It's a brow pencil. So I look forward to using it. Today I didn't do a brow pencil. I just did like a gel, and it come in like a brush. And I think it's a NYX brand is what I use. And then they gave me the Full Blast Volume Mascara. It is volume, to try to make my eyelashes more full. Today I have on Maybelline, just a store brand. So in order to use I'm excited to use a more higher end mascara. So what's next in the makeup? Okay, so I have the VFX Pro Illuminating Primer. Today I did not do a primer. I did a hydraulic acid first. I let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I did a cream, and I will share with you those two products that I'm using, which will be under the video. I will share all my Amazon products, everything that I use today. I will just put the link below. So you will love the cream. I didn't really need a primer, and I just forgot. But if you know, moisturizer actually help your foundation set on your face. So, yeah, primer. And then I have the foundation, the VFX Pro Foundation in Mocha. Right now, I have a very low end foundation on, and it is e.l.f. e.l.f. run about, depending on if there's a lightning deal or flash deal on Amazon, you can get it for $4 all the way up to $6. So very low end. So I'm excited to use a better quality foundation. It's a full coverage enhanced formula, and it's actually the same VFX Pro as this, so they're going to work really great together. And let's see, so I have two primers. I do. One of them they gave me because I didn't order two. So one, it was again another perk. So we have 3 products that they gave to me because I'm an influencer every month. What's next? It is the eyeshadow primer. Why did I get the eyeshadow primer? Because it helps with it helps with, you know, just keeping your eyeshadow on better. So I didn't use an eyeshadow primer today. um, I just have a little bit of color correcting around my eye to get rid of any dark spots, and I put the color corrector all around my eye, and then I went in with concealer. I mixed a little bit of concealer and a little bit of foundation and just went around my eye. Hopefully I don't really have, the light is not making me look like I have raccoon eyes, just, you know, more highlighted area. But I would have if I had already opened my box, which my next video I will use. When I use some eyeshadow, I will put the primer on first just to bring out, you know, the color and the pigments in the eyeshadow. So my next, we're done with the makeup. Now let's just do face care. I've been wanting a good quality vitamin C serum, and some of them are really, really pricey. And again, since I am an influencer, I get these products at discount. So that is one of the perks of becoming an influencer with pharmacy, is that you can get great quality products at a discounted price. So Dr. C Tuna Vitamin C Glow Serum, it brightens, hydrates for all skin type. It's really good for your skin to just not so it won't look dull, for you to take an actual supplement vitamin, and for you to put a serum on. When will I use this serum? Maybe in the day. Some people don't like to use the vitamin C serum during the day, but I am. So I'm just going to mix it with some hyaluronic acid. And when I say mix, I mean put the hyaluronic acid, then put the vitamin C, and just kind of go on with my day. I don't like moisturizers that much during the day because it seems like it clogs my pores. I like more of serums during the day, and I put my moisturizers on more at night. So then I have the Dr. C Tuna Luma Radiance Brightening Mask. It's 10 of them in here, and the one that I got is a face mask that helps to maintain skin brightness, balance uneven skin. So it's 3 actually available on the website, but I feel like this one would be more beneficial to me. As time progresses, I will change them out, like order a different one. And then I have, we're done with the skincare, and then I have the Pharmacy Signature Collection Perfume. I am just now getting into perfumes more than usual, like buying more higher end perfumes. So I want to see what this smell like, and I would give you the notes in this, but I'm not on the website. You can go on the website and read the notes. I usually try to layer, so whatever, if this has a vanilla in it or orange or a citrus, I will spray this, and then I would layer it with a vanilla, or I will layer it with a orange. I do have an orange Soul, and if you know, Soul has a more airy scent to it, the Soul perfumes, so I would layer this with that. Now what's next is my Welcome to Your Journey box. So this is my official first box, and it's like a sampler box. That's what it is. So I don't know what's in here. I guess I can open it. We can open it together. Let's just open it. Okay, you guys, I'm back. My office phone is connected to my phone, so when the phone rang, it stopped recording. So I had to hurry up, abruptly try to save that video before my cell phone picked up that phone call. So I apologize. I'm just trying to record my content while I'm at my office, and I'm getting ready to set up my beauty room at home, so just bear with me. You'll notice that I'll have different spaces where I record. So let's open this up, and we both are going to look at it at the same time. I like where it says "Hey Beautiful." I'm gonna let you guys look first. You can get all of this too as well when you become a pharmacy influencer. So it's just like a lot of goodies. A lot of goodies. This is a concealer and they give it to you in different colors. See? And then we have the foundation samples, and it goes into all the different products. Oh, they even give you shampoo and conditioner, a leave-in conditioner. And a little pharmacy bag. This is the pharmacy super elixir, which is for hair. So it's a good way to maybe do like a hot oil treatment if you just don't like oil in your hair, or if you do like to keep oil in your hair, it's just a good serum to use. So yeah, this is a nice little box. Okay, I'm gonna sit that there. That is all my products. So let me recap. They gave me a brow pencil, mascara, and a VF Pro Illuminating Primer just for being an influencer. This is every month they give you new products to try, or they give you best-selling products on top of your 50% commission for referring retail. There is a 10 level pay plan. That's just one of them. Go ahead and go over there to the website, look around. If you want to become an influencer, which I think you should want some extra streams of revenue. Go ahead and do that and make some purchases of good quality products. I am looking forward to going over all these products, sharing my experiences, all of that with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. I am going to make this my personal channel, so that means that I can be comfortable and be myself and share all of my good finds. I want to talk about makeup. I even want to talk about food. I want to talk about what I'm eating, excuse me, what I'm eating, lifestyle in order to lose weight. If this is your first video, my name is Latasha and I am 49, so I'm kind of going through perimenopause, and I was not able to lose weight on my own anymore like I used to, even with working out and cutting my diet. So I decided to take GLP-1. So if that's how you found my videos, stay. Just don't watch the weight loss videos. Watch all of the videos. I will share my purses. I will share clothes. I will share, again, Amazon finds. I found good products due to other people's Amazon finds. So it's good that we have a platform that we can share ourselves, our life, our experiences with things. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.